What is up, everybody? It's your boy Brando here with Brando Reviews, and today we're checking out the Alpha X200 headphones right here by the company Vankyo. So I've done a lot of products from Vankyo before, mostly projectors and headsets, but they make a lot of different tech products, and today they have a wireless set of headphones right here. So you can get these on Amazon for $42.98, and there is a 20% off coupon code available, so that brings it down under $40 into the $30 range, which is pretty cool. So wireless headphones, 30 something dollars. So they are the X200 Alphas. They are Bluetooth 5.0. They have TWS stereo, and they have an LED charging case, IPX8 Waterproof. Lots of other stuff on here. They come in blue, gray, and pink. I will put those up top if you want to see them right there. And there's not much else to see here, so we're just going to go ahead and sort of open the package right here. So I'm just going to move a little bit closer so we can see it up close. So before we open the box here real quick, I do want to say it has a built-in microphone. Like I said, Bluetooth 5.0. It has noise isolation, so you can't hear really what's going on around you as much. I like that a lot. IPX8 waterproof, as we said before. And the coolest thing I think is the touch controls it has. So on each of the earbuds, it has a sort of touch panel on it, and you can press it to switch songs, turn the volume up and down, take and answer calls, and activate Siri or whatever Android equivalent you have, among many other features of these headphones, including 7 hours of battery life and 120 hours of total play time with the charging case. So the charging case actually charges the earbuds a few times before you have to charge the charging case. So 7 hours on the earbuds, 120 hours per charging case fill. Very cool. All right, guys, so here it is right here. We'll just take a quick look at the box. You can see it says Alpha X200 right there, wireless earbuds Vankyo at the bottom. You can see it says multifunction, ease of use, enjoy yourself, clear and stable. Kind of hard to read even for me. So let's just go ahead and set this down and open it up. You have a nice contrasting white under here. If you're into the unbox experience like I am, you know, that's what I do. So I appreciate the boxes. And here it is, nice box. Okay, whatever. So here it is right here, the actual headphone charging case with the earbuds themselves in here. It is sort of a metal case, it feels like. At least parts of it are metal. Just go ahead and open it here, and you can see it right here real quick. Charging port, your back. M106, I believe, up there at the top. And then 3,500 milliamp hour battery capacity. So yeah, that's how it can do 120 hours. It has a pretty large battery capacity in here. We'll be taking a much closer look at that. So move the foam out. You have a little card here saying that they certified it. A quick setup guide right here, just telling you how to set it up. And then these are the instructions right here. So this is what else is in the box. There's another little box, and the only thing in here appears to be looks like USB to micro USB adapter here. Very interesting. And you have an assortment of extra ear tips here to fit your ear tip style, in case the ones that are already on there don't fit your ear well. All right, guys, so we took a quick look at everything else, and now we're just going to take a quick look at the actual case and earbuds themselves. You can see on the screen right here, it says the total percentage of the actual charging case itself is 76%. Then it tells you the charge level of the left headset right here and the right headset right here, which are both fully charged, as we can see right there. So that's very cool that it shows that. It doesn't have to, but I really like that a lot. And the other cool thing I like is the auto connect feature. So when you close it and you open it, if it hasn't been paired to a device, it will go into pairing mode. So you just have to go to your Bluetooth settings and connect. If it is already paired with the device before, it will auto connect. And so basically what I'm saying, as soon as you open the case, they will auto connect to your device. You don't have to go and do anything, press any buttons or go change any settings. So I like that a lot. It works like Apple ones in that way. You can see right here, I talked about before, the hinge is metal. This is a very heavy case. I'd like to say it's made of aluminum. The entire thing feels like it's aluminum, and this is the blue color. It comes in gray and pink, like I said before. There's your micro USB charger right there. Comes with the cable in the box, as we saw before, and the nice little chrome line around the side there. So open it one more time, and you can see, take out an earbud here, and we'll take out the other earbud here. You can see down here, these are the pins that it uses to charge. So when you put them in there, they auto charge and connect. And the left goes in this side, the right goes in this side. It won't really let you put them in the wrong way. Take a look at the earbud here real quick. I told you that these are touch panels, so depending on what you press, they change and do different things. So here it is. I said you can change these out. They just pop right off. You can see right here the charging pins, and it says right there. A little R to tell you that this is the right one, which means it goes into the right case, just like so. And then it auto charges, as you can see. And it only recognizes that one. You pop this one in, and the other one comes on. and you close it, put this in your pocket, and you're good to go. So now we're just going to test it out, see how it works. So there's a few different ways to turn these on. The simplest way is to just open the case. There's also a way where you can hold down the touch button on the headset, either one for 5 seconds to turn it on if this doesn't work. You're going to open it. You see them blinking right there, and then you see Alpha X200 over here on Bluetooth. You're going to give that a press over there, and you can see it auto-connected up there at the top. So very simple to connect, and then now you close it. You can see it says not connected now. We open it up again, and they auto reconnect themselves very, very quickly, connected right there. And then you'll see it pop up right here. X200s, 100% charge. So I know it says 76 right there. That's the charging case. The earbuds themselves are 100% charged, as you can see right there. All right, guys, so I have the left earbud here and the right earbud here. So I'm just gonna kind of show you guys how it works. You can press either one once to start playing your music. You can press either one again to stop playing your music. Just start playing some music again here, press it. To turn the volume down, you hold the left one down, just keep your finger on it. You can see over there that the volume slowly goes down, a little burst right there. And then you can do the same on the right one to turn the volume up, hold it down, and you can see the volume rises again. If you want to go back to your previously played song, you just, on the left ear set, you press it twice. It'll reset the song, press it again. Or this is the only song, this is the first song in my daily mix here, so it's not going to go back any further. So you use the right one to go to your next song, press it twice. Press it twice. And then you can go back by pressing the left one twice and forward on this one. To activate Siri, press 3 times on either one. Let's pick the right one. Siri activates. I think I pressed it too many times. 1, 2, 3. That's enough. Bye. So everything works very good, and you can also do call functionality on here. You can press it twice to answer a call, press it twice to end a call, hold it down for 3 seconds to decline a call, as well as many other functions such as end and accept a call, hold and accept a call, and swap a call. So now I'm going to test out the sound and see what I think of it. So I did say that these are sort of noise canceling, and it's kind of true. I have them on right now and I can't hear anything around me. I'm probably very loud right now. I really don't know. I'm actually in the backyard. We're probably, let's say 30 feet from where the iPad is, where the music is streaming from, and let's see if it works. So yeah, it connects very good out here. Let's go a little bit further. Let's go down into the yard and we'll see if it still connects way out here. So we're gonna go way out here to the shed, and then we're gonna see if they connect still. Skip to the next song. So yeah, we're way out here and it still connects very good, and that's really surprising. The quality is skip to the next song real quick. So, okay, these things really do make everything around you extremely quiet, but the quality of them is just insane. Like, they sound like my Beats. I know that's not saying much, but they sound like a lot of other good quality pairs of headphones I have, my Sonys I have, many other good quality big over-the-ear headphones. These sound just as good, just as equivalent to AirPods, I'd say too. Because I've listened on a pair of AirPods before. These sound almost identical. The bass is very good, the quality is very good, the clarity is very good, the vocals are very good, and the bass is very good too, considering the size. They're not booming your ears out or anything, but you can hear the bass. I think that's very cool and very nice, considering they're $43 headphones right here, and you get the charging case and everything included in that price. The sound quality is amazing. You know, everyone has different taste of music, but for my kind of music that I listen to, I think that they're perfect. So there you go, guys. This is a quick look at the Vankyo Alpha X200 headphones right here. Earphones, that is. They come with a wireless charging case that gives you 120 hours of playback, about 7 hours per charge for both. and you just pop them in the case to charge them. Simple as that. So like I said, $43 on Amazon. There will be a link down below, but I'm honestly extremely surprised with these considering the price. You pay what, over $100 for a pair of AirPods and you get the exact same things. I don't even know if you get the same touch functionalities. I think they have some, but nothing compared to this. Now I know there's also the AirPod Pros with the noise canceling. These are as close to noise canceling as you'll ever need. They're not active, I don't believe, but they're perfect considering the price and the quality that you get. You get very clear vocals, very good bass, and just very good sound considering the price. No, they're no $400 pair of headphones, but for wireless headphones, I don't think you can beat these for the price. So if you guys enjoyed this, you can leave a like down below. You can also subscribe down below if you're interested. I do a lot of cool tech videos like this, or I try to. I like Bluetooth stuff a lot, Bluetooth speakers, Bluetooth headphones. So yeah, hope you guys have a good one and take it easy.